Hey, it's Mike with Riding in the Ozarks. We talk riding, rallies, gear, and wrenching. It's 26 degrees this morning at about 10 minutes to 8. We gotta go meet a friend of mine up the road here for breakfast. And then me and him are gonna go load up a toy. And I'm gonna work on that toy and get it going, and maybe I'll buy it from him if I like it. So hang around and see what we're up to.
This ain't no Harley. It's not hard to maneuver.
I want to see Mike put his short ass legs on that thing.
Well, if Josh can ride it, I can ride it.
I don't know about that.
I don't know what this it'll come off. I don't know what that white shit is. Somebody set something on the seat. It might have been me. But I mean, you know, the fucking paint ain't even wore off on the case like we're in road.
No, I think there's two scratches on that side.
There's a couple scratches right here from the boot.
Yeah.
Ain't much.
Nope. And sure.
I still rode even after I wrecked her. Harley, I just rode this. If you need this trailer for anything, it'll be sitting out at the shop and you can get it.
I already told her you was gonna do that.
What?
I said he'll ask me if I need to tell. He'll tell me if I ever need to borrow it. Just let him know. Borrow it anytime. I said because he's like that.
You try him.
What do you think? A little on your side and the car good. We're not going that far.
I'll go easy.
Yeah, I gotta go open the shop.
You guys got a lot more than I got to.
See, no problem.
Get touch.
Okay.
Even for a short guy like me. Mike weighs 20 pounds more than me, so he won't have no problem pushing it down.
Is that true, Michael Thompson?
That weigh 20 pounds more than him? No, more like 30.
I was being generous. Yeah, see, he can almost set both heels down.
I'm within.
Pretty close.
I mean, I'm within a half inch of having the heels on.
You put the spanner wrench on it and turn it up a notch or two, and you wouldn't sit it down that much.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And wouldn't be no problem riding it.
Yeah. I'd probably take the bark busters off, but they're nice if you hit a June bug in your hands.
Well, and they're also nice if you're riding when it's a little bit cool. It does take a little wind off the fingers.
Oh yeah.
I've seen guys on street bikes have them when their bars are out in the air. You know, not behind the bat wing no more.
Hmm. Yep.
Alright, so this DR650 I got from my buddy. And I'm gonna get it running. Right now the battery's so dead it won't even crank, won't do anything. I've already checked that. So first thing it's going to do is get the battery charged up and see if this thing will turn over. So to get to the battery on this, you have 2 Phillips head screws, one for each side to hold these side panels on. There's one. There's 2. Now, we have the side panel off. We have 2 bolts, one on each side. These are 12 millimeter. I already checked to see what I was going to need. Alright, now this should slide down, come free, and off. So, we've got the seat removed. Put it down here. Now, we have 2 bolts that are kind of in the way of getting to the battery terminals for this arm that holds the battery in place. These take the infamous 10 millimeter, by the way. Put that there. All right. Actually, remove that. A bit. Battery charger here. Positive's clearly marked on the right side. Put that on, make sure it's connected good, and you gotta pop off. And we'll let the bike charge for a day or 2, come back and see if it cranks over. Alright, what do you guys think of my DR650 find? Less than 3,000 miles on a 14-year-old bike with new tires on it. Super clean bike. I mean, I am kind of looking for a dual sport bike I can ride on the highway and then take off-road. And this seems like it would be the maybe an ideal bike for that. Really popular bike from what I've found out on the internet so far. I'm going to do another video where I clean the carburetor, put it all back together, we'll put gas in it and see if it starts up. I haven't got that done yet, so I don't know how it's going to turn out. I'm kind of wondering if this battery is going to hold up or if I'm going to have to replace the battery. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you do that YouTube thing, hit the subscribe button below, ring that bell to be notified when I drop a new video. And if you think this is cool, share this out with your friends. It helps support the channel that way. As always, thanks, be safe, and keep on riding.